Hello, I'm Chad. Welcome to XBeyond 360's educational series. In this video, we will take a look at some of the best practices that will help ensure a successful installation of your new XBeyond 360 lithium iron phosphate batteries. Things have changed a lot from the days where it was common to see two batteries in plastic boxes strapped down to the tongue of your trailer. XBeyond 360 can help you with additional accessories that not only simplify the process, but also significantly add to the overall integrity of your system. A must-have is one of XBeyond 360's battery mounting kits. They're available in single, dual, and triple battery mounting configurations for both their Group 24 and Group 27 type batteries. There is also a single configuration designed for the large EX-360 XDP-C 368 amp-hour battery. They're available in single, dual, and triple battery mounting configurations for both their Group 24 and Group 27 type batteries. There is also a single configuration designed for the large EX-360 XDP-C 368 amp-hour battery. The kits contain a tray that will accept either 1, 2, or 3 Group 24 or Group 27 batteries. There is a set of mounting clips for each battery, the associated hold-down T-bolts, and all the necessary hardware to secure the batteries to the tray. You are also given enough of XBeyond 360's custom bus bars to interconnect your batteries in either a parallel or series configuration. When using multiple trays together, there is a custom bus bar length available that will accommodate the larger battery gap between the trays. Lastly, there is a special set of bus bars designated for the large EX-360 XDP-C 368 amp-hour battery that will enable 2 of the large batteries to be connected in parallel. Now that you have your batteries securely mounted, it's time to determine their installation location. If at all possible, it's recommended that you install the batteries inside of the RV, overland vehicle, or marine application. The lithium iron phosphate chemistry can be sensitive to temperature extremes or excessive water infiltration beyond IP66, so the additional insulation and vapor barrier provided by the vehicle is beneficial. The XBeyond 360 batteries do not need to be ventilated like typical lead-acid type batteries, so it's perfectly acceptable to store them in the same living space that you and your loved ones occupy. We have a few recommendations for your battery installation. Try to locate your battery bank as close to its charging source as possible. Provide proper size fusing and disconnect switches between batteries and the next components in line. Make sure to use the correct size DC cables to interconnect your battery bank to the charging source. This means using sufficient gauge and proper material to handle the maximum system current during charge or discharge cycles. And try to keep the cables as short as possible to reduce voltage drop. Thank you for watching our lithium installation video. To view other product videos, user manuals, and specification sheets, visit xbeyond360.com.